As a programmer, version control is a necessary tool in your arsenal. And Git is the most popular version control system out there. But are you using it to its fullest potential? You ain't. Howdy coders! Welcome to our video about Git, the most popular version control system for programmers. Why Git for programmers? Git is a tool that helps us manage the different versions of a project. It's an essential tool, especially if you are working on a collaborative project. But without proper knowledge, Git can be more of a burden than a boon. Git staging. Git has three main components: workspace, staging, and repository. Understanding the importance of the staging area can really change your experience with Git. Conflict resolution. Working on a shared project often means that you and your team members may end up contributing to the same file, and this can lead to conflicts. Resolving conflicts with Git is not only easy, but also essential to make sure that your project is running smoothly. That's it for today's video.